Breaking the ice with break in, your guide to phrasal verbs. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting lesson in our series on intermediate English grammar. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs, focusing specifically on break in. Buckle up, as we're about to explore different ways to use this phrasal verb and understand it through examples in sentences. First, let's understand what break in means. Generally, break in is used to describe the act of entering a place, typically a building or a room, by force. This term is often associated with theft. But, like many English phrasal verbs, break in has other uses too. It can mean to interrupt, to use something new until it's comfortable, or to train someone or an animal. Understanding the context is key to understanding the meaning. To truly master the usage of break in, let's look at a few example sentences. 1. As a thief, the thief was caught while trying to break into the house. 2. As an interruption, she had to break into their conversation to share the urgent news. 3. As using something new. I just bought these shoes, and I need to break them in before the marathon. 4. As training. The new employee seems promising, but we'll need to break him in gently. Each example here demonstrates the versatile usage of break in different contexts. Now it's your turn. Try to create your own sentences using the phrasal verb break in. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to think of situations where you could use this term, and don't forget to consider the different ways it can be used. Feel free to share your sentences in the comments. Well, that wraps up our session on the phrasal verb break in. We hope you found this lesson helpful and that you're feeling more confident in your ability to use break in your daily English conversations. Remember, understanding and using phrasal verbs is a great way to sound more natural in English. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing. Until next time, happy learning!